Hi, everyone, and welcome. I think you all probably know me by now because I've been on stage enough. I'm Jeff Beer, founder of the Edge AI and Vision Alliance. Thanks for joining us for the final round of the Vision Tank startup competition. I want to welcome you here. I want to congratulate the 5 exceptional startup companies that made it through the rigorous judging process to reach this final round. Congratulations. We are here, the Alliance is here to help facilitate and accelerate the use of edge machine perception technology to solve real-world problems. And as I think everyone in this room knows, this is a field that's innovating super fast, and we need that because we don't have by far all the pieces and solutions we need. And a tremendous amount of that innovation is coming from startups. So part of our mission then is to help nurture and recognize the startups that are most promising in this space, and that's why we run this annual Vision Tank competition. So thanks a lot for joining us, and John, take it away.
Oh, great. Thanks, Jeff. So hello, everyone. My name is John Feland. I am currently a principal strategist at Cable Labs and the MC. I have done this for years now, I guess. It's been fantastic. And the joy I have in this is actually getting to see these technologies, hear about what they're doing, but also working with these fantastic judges. So as Jeff said, we've been doing this for a while. This is a chance for startups literally around the world to showcase what they've been working on. They've gone through a rigorous process of evaluation. They had to share some videos, some context, some sales pitches, and some of the impacts that they've been having with their companies as they get started on the journey of making an impact in the marketplace. And these judges have done the heavy lifting to figure out which of those companies result in the 5 that you see here today. So I'd like to ask the judges to please introduce themselves. Vin, do you want to kick it off?
Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for attending, and congratulations to the finalists on your journey here. My name's Vin Ratford. I come from the beautiful town of Bristol, Rhode Island, and I'm the CEO of Piera Systems. We make an air quality monitor that uses artificial intelligence to identify pollution sources. And I'm thrilled to be here today.
Great. Shweta?
Hi, everyone. I'm Shweta Shirvastava. I'm a senior product leader at Waymo, which is an autonomous driving technology company. Started out of Google way back when. Before Waymo, I was CPO at another AI startup also focusing on driving safety called Notto. And before that, led product and strategy groups in large companies like Amazon and Cisco. This is my 4th year as a judge at this event. Really excited to be here, and all the best to the finalists.
I'm Forrest Iandola, second time here judging, and I've been doing embedded vision for about a decade, everything from speeding up training to putting very tiny models on very tiny devices. Done startups and things like that. My latest thing, I'm working as a research scientist at Meta, putting efficient computer vision on computers on your face.
Well, that helps us all see eye to eye, I know. So great. Can you give us a round of applause for our judges for all the hard work they've already done? Now, I'd like to tell you a little bit about how today's going to go. We have 5 startups. They will each come up and give a pitch. They have 3 minutes to talk about the amazing things they've been up to. Now, some of you may think that you know what happens if they go over. As tradition dictates, I have the gong. And it may start with a gentle warning. Right? You may have heard something that sound like this at a yoga practice. I think it's G sharp. But as they continue to talk, we'll get more aggressive. And hopefully that's all you hear of the gong today. I'm looking at each of the 5 of you, because I don't like to use the gong. They like for me to use the gong. I don't like to use the gong. Don't make me use the gong. And after they do their presentation for 3 minutes, they will then have 6 minutes of Q&A from the judges, in which they will unpack further, maybe things they didn't get a chance to in the presentation, or questions left dangling in the judge's mind. Once that's done, the judges will disappear. Not through some art and wizardry, they will actually just walk across the stage. They will go back to the green room and deliberate. And they've already made sure that their job today is really difficult because of these 5 finalists. What they hear during the pitches, what you will hear during the pitches, will also make it even more difficult. As they're deliberating, so will you. Because we not only have the Judges Award that we give out here at Vision Tank, there's also an Audience Award. So when they're thinking about which one they like the best, we're going to ask you to vote your own poll on which ones you like the best. Because there will be 2 awards. There will be the Judges Award which they get the gigantic check like on The Price is Right. And there will also be the audience award. Now, in the event of a tie, which you and the judges agree, then another company will be offered the award. You can't sweep the entire category. We're about sharing here at the Vision Alliance. So, with that, we need to figure out who our first contestants are.